It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you around on my self-guided walk in London's Westminster. This area is known for its famous landmarks like Big Ben, the Elizabeth Tower, Westminster Abbey, and the Houses of Parliament. But there's a lot more to this area, and there's places locals love to explore. I can't wait to show you around and take you to my favorite parts of the area. As always, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com. But let's go see what we find. This walk starts at Westminster Station. You can get here by tube, bus, or boat. Westminster Pier is just around the corner. You can also walk here. When you exit the station, you'll get a great view of the Elizabeth Tower and Big Ben. You can spend some time walking around the square and taking in the statues of famous historical figures, the Houses of Parliament, Westminster Abbey, and more. Your next stop is Dean's Yard. You can find it via a street called the Sanctuary in front of Westminster Abbey. Dean's Yard is a great secret courtyard next to the church. It's a peaceful place away from the big crowds, and the historic architecture is worth admiring. From Dean's Yard, you'll explore some local streets in Westminster, including Great College Street, Barton Street, and Cowley Street. Make sure to keep a lookout for blue plaques and historical signs as you go. There are lots of good ones in this area. Your next stop is Smith Square. The historic church of St. John's Smith Square dominates the scene here, but the surrounding buildings are worth a look as well. Soon you'll come to Victoria Tower Gardens, a green space with views of the River Thames and Victoria Tower. From the Thames, the walk will take you through some of the side streets in Westminster that locals love and visitors rarely see. It's a great way to get a feel for the local neighborhood and what residents and locals see here. Next, you'll come to Westminster Cathedral. The candy cane stripes are iconic. You can pop in here if you want to, or continue your walk. The last stop on your walk is Little Ben. It's a replica of Big Ben, and it's a fun one to see. This walk ends at Victoria Station. You can take trains, the tube, buses, or walk around on foot when you get here. Thanks for coming around Westminster with me. I hope this video has introduced you to some new places to explore in the area and inspired you to get out and see this place yourself. It's a great part of London, and there's so much more to it than just the icons. As I mentioned before, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy exploring!